Poetry in the classroom is a really tough sell sometimes. Prose and good prose might sound like poetry. There is such a blend these days, and that's okay, because what matters more is what you have to say.
A letter to my missing tights. I miss you. You've been taken from me once again. I imagine you're with my sister, for she's kidnapped you. She's dancing with you like a child dances with a dog.
A letter to teachers who underestimate me. Stop. Stop doing that. Stop making me feel as if I wasn't capable of doing anything.
Honestly, what is truly ridiculous is how you believe whatever is spoon-fed into your mouth by a charismatic man in a tie or his jaw-dropping female counterpart.
Our young people especially need an outlet to speak their truth, to tell their stories. And I think you'll find that the slam poetry is one profound way to do that.